Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. We will cover four key metrics such as email click tracking, phone click tracking, phone call tracking on website, and thank you page tracking. So if you haven't watched our previous video on setting up GA4 conversion tracking, I recommended checking that out first, as it covers the basics of setting up Google Tag Manager as well. Now let's dive in. The first step is you have to log into your Google Ads account. On the left sidebar, you will see the option goals. Click on it. Once you click on the goals, you have to click on summary and click new conversion action. So here we will choose website. Enter your website URL. Insert it here and click scan. Scroll down. For the thank you page tracking, we will choose add conversion action manually. Under goal and action optimization, select submit lead form as your category. Give a name, contact form submission. Scroll down, keep the value as it is. Under count, select only one. Click done. Next is click add a conversion action manually. This one is for the email click. So we will choose contact, enter your goal name, scroll down, use the value as it is. Again in count, we will choose one. Click done. Add new conversion action. This one is phone call. So we will choose contact, give a name phone call click, scroll down. Under count, we will choose one and click done. So here you can see we have created three conversion actions. One is submit lead form, second is email click, and third is phone call click. Once you are done, save and continue. Click done. Also, we will create one more conversion action for phone call on website action. So click phone calls. Here you will see three options. So we will choose the second option, calls to a phone number on website. Click continue. Give a name, phone call on website. Scroll down. Here we will choose use the same value for each conversion. Count will remain 1. In the phone number section, we will go to our website and copy the same phone number and paste it in Google Ads. Here we will choose India. We will keep call length as 60 seconds and create and continue. We will choose use Google Tag Manager method and click next. Click done. So you can see we have created 4 different tags in Google Ads account. Now we will create the same tags in Google Tag Manager. So let's log into your Google Tag Manager first. So here you can see we already have set up the Google Tag Manager account for our website. So if you haven't done it, you have to create a new Tag Manager account, install the course on your website, and then come back to the tags option. Now, before we create any tags, you need to enable all the variables. So click on variables. Under built-in variables, click configure. You can see we have enabled all the necessary variables such as clicks element, click classes, click ID, click target. The same as you can see under the forms. You have to enable all these variables, and then you have to close this tab. Then go back to the tags. So here you can see we have already created conversion linker. So if you haven't done it, you have to create it first. So here is how you can do it. Click new, give a name conversion linker, and once you create the tag, you have to select conversion linker here, and under triggering option you have to select all pages and click save this tag. So now we have all the options available in the Google Tag Manager. So we will create the first tag, that is email click. So click new. Here we will give a name email click Google Ads. Under tag configuration, select Google Ads. Select Google Ads conversion tracking. For the conversion ID and conversion label, we will go back to our Google Ads account. Select email click. Under tag setup, choose use Google Tag Manager. It will give you two things. First is conversion ID and second is conversion label. So we will just copy it. Under conversion ID, we will paste it. The same way, we will copy the conversion label and paste it under conversion label field. Scroll down. Under triggering option, we will need to create a new trigger. Give a name, email click. Under triggering configuration, we will choose just links. Select some link click options. Here we will choose click URL. Keep as it is contains, and we will type mail to semicolon. and save this tag. Again, you have to save this tag. Now we will create the phone click tag. So we will create new, give a name, Google Ads. Under tag configuration, we will choose Google Ads conversion tracking. For conversion ID and label, we will copy it from our Google Ads account. So go to your goals options, scroll down, phone call click, scroll down. Under tag setup, select Google Tag Manager, copy conversion ID and conversion label, paste it here. Under triggering option, you can see we already have created the phone click trigger. So I will choose it. But if you do not know how to do it, I will show you here. Under triggering configuration, you have to click just links. Here you can choose some link click options. You do not need to choose the first one. You can just keep click URL contains tell semicolon. You can just simply remove this and save this tag. Again, we will save this tag. Now we have completed the tags for email click and phone click. Now we will set up the tags for thank you page. So we will again create a new tag. Here we will give a name form submit. Under tag configuration, choose Google Ads conversion tracking. The same way we will go back to the Google Ads account, go back to your summary, click goals. We will select the conversion action, contact form submission. Scroll down. Under tag setup, choose Google Tag Manager method. Copy conversion ID and conversion label and paste it here in your Google Ads account. Scroll down. Under triggering, select page view. Here you can see we already have created this tag, but if you have to create a new tag, you can just simply click triggering and select page view. Click on some page view. Here you can choose page URL, contains and thank you page. So you can put here the website page. Let's say for example your thank you page URL is thank desk you, then you just need to put it here. and save this tag. Again save this tag. Now you can see we have created three tags. Now only one tag is remaining, that is font colon website. We will create new tag, give a name, font colon website. Under tag configuration, here you can see the search bar. So type Google Ads. Here you can see Google Ads calls from website conversion. We will choose it. Here you can see display phone number to replace. So we will simply copy our phone number from our website and paste it here. Go back to your Google Ads account. Go to your goals. Here you can see we already have created phone call on website. So scroll down. Under tag setup, choose Google Tag Manager. Here you can see the conversion ID and conversion label. We will use the same. Now under triggering option, we will choose all pages because we want to fire this tag on all pages, and save this tag. Now once you create all these four tags, you just need to submit this container and publish it. And that's it. You have successfully set up Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. Now you can accurately measure conversion and optimize your ads for better performance. So close this tab. If you want to test and confirm that your tags are fired well, so click on preview. Copy your website URL. Here in this case, we are going to copy our thank you web page URL to ensure that contact form tag is fired well. So we will click connect. Once the web page is loaded, go back to your tag preview assistance. Click continue. Okay, so here you can see in the summary section, scroll down, you can see form submit is fired one time. So that's working fine. Since we haven't clicked on click, email click and phone click, so those are not fired. So we will go back to the web page, click on phone number, click cancel, go back to your tag assistance. You can see phone click tag is fired now. The same way we'll click on email, click cancel, go back to your assistance. Here you can see like email click is also fired. So that's it. We have successfully set up Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. Now you can accurately measure conversions and optimize your ads for better performance. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, just drop in the comment section below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.